Hey gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I'm doing an unboxing video on some of the things I got from Farm Factor 3D up at the Dyersville National Farm Toy Show 2023. So Jeff from Farm Factor 3D always has cool stuff, and I really love using his detail parts for row crop tractors, two-wheel drive tractors, etc., etc. I've got a 4020 on the workbench right now with quite a few of his items, and as you can see, we're going to have some Farmall series tractors coming up here pretty quick. So let's start with the tractor detail parts. Now these are doubled up, so don't think I'm skipping or anything. But so we've got the IH56 series grill. You can see what that looks like. Really adds to these tractors over just your standard Erdl grill, which is just a decal. This really helps. It's got the grading material and all that stuff in there. So you just do a little surgery on the front of that tractor. It's actually a really nice line in the die cast. You can just cut right down that with the jeweler's saw and slide that grill right in, and it really makes a big difference. And I will show you some of these tractors when I get them finished. Now we have the 826 grill. I've never made an 826 before, so that'll be kind of fun. Kind of interested and excited to do that. Now over here on the 56, these fenders are cool. You can see they've got the handholds and all of that on there. So it just makes for a really nice little extra detail to these tractors. And I got some more of those. Obviously got quite a few 56 series to do. So we'll show you those in the not too distant future. I have used these before on a buddy of mine, Chris's project, and so I wanted some for my own project. So some class front weights for the Xerion, and then some deck weights for the same tractor. Now, I thought maybe Dogtown could use a zero turn. So we've got the 1/64 scale zero turn mower. Painted red in the picture. I don't know, maybe we'll do a red, maybe we'll do a deer. I don't know, we'll see. We'll have fun. And then this is something I've been after for a very, very long time. And this is the self-propelled narrow front sprayer kit. No cab in this kit. I can probably rob a cab off something, but you can see there in the picture. Pretty cool, pretty interesting kit. I'm excited to get one of those put together. Lots of parts back here, so this is definitely a over the winter project. If I even get to it this winter, hopefully I can, but who knows. So, and in case you're wondering, now this has some of my own parts on it as well. But here is some tractor fab parts. Well, a few anyway. So we've got a seat. We've got the fenders. These hubs come from JHR Custom Farms. The belly tank is mine. The pipe and the air cleaner are also JHR. So steerable front end comes from C&D Models. I believe wheels and tires are Chucky's, and that fender radio is JHR. So just kind of grabbing some parts from various sources here. You can take that really basic, 80s, 90s Erdl casting and really turn it into something pretty neat, I think. So I added the throttle and hydraulic lines and our handles and all that myself, and a little bit of detail painting. And then you end up with this guy. So this is also one of Farm Factor 3D's steering wheels. So he also sells those in case that's something you need. So anyway, that's just wanted to kind of show off some Farm Factor parts and some future projects that I'm excited about there. So thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day and happy tractor hunting.